Markplang legislator and UDP Chief Youth Advicer Eugeneson Lyngdoh termed UDP as one of the best regional party in the state. Lyngdoh said this during an election campaign for UDP Nongstoin candidate Palestar Nongsiet at Madan Railway of Yap area. He made an appeal to the people to strengthen UDP by voting them to power. He reasoned that the UDP is a party that can be trusted to lead the next government as it's a party from the soil. Meanwhile, the UDP candidate from Nongstoin Nongsiet asked the public to support UDP this time, so that he could lead from the front to ease the problem that they are facing in all spheres.
Berhakata ka jingsen syar juga UDP ya ka jela ka jongi kala yo aru ya ka jingero na ka central government baka state ko biang tam ha ka jingsen syar ka de ka megahalia ha ka jingelam jong ka parti UDP